Now come to the what is the true stress, a true strain, which is very common. I mean, this is very simple to of the normal stress, but what is the difference? I mean, in stress, normal stress, what we have taken? Force upon normal area, or we have subscript here AO means the original area, but here the subscript is I means the intense instantaneous area. I mean, where you are basically concerned to calculate the stress that would be of at that point. Suppose you started the, I mean, suppose it was at the beginning like this. Okay. So suppose this is your rod, this is your bar. Okay. Now you have applied the force in this way, suppose. Okay. Now after 5 minutes or 2 minutes, you are concerned to calculate the stress. So after 2 minutes, obviously it has come like this. Little bit, length has increased. So here it was L. Okay. Now it has L increased. Okay. So obvious the area. If we talk about the A has decreased. So it was the A cross-section area of original. But now if you are concerned about, then you need to take this particular area, which is I instantaneous. Obviously, that would be your real time value, which is known as the instantaneous value. This is known as your true. So, but in throughout the engineering, we don't take this value. We only for our simplification or our simplicity that we have. I mean, we have means our scientists have taken only the engineering value that we are not taking into consideration these kind of things because at instantaneous value of area is very difficult to calculate. Okay, so this is the way. But how you can calculate, how you can relate to the engineering stress, that is the way. I mean, overall the volume is not going to change, right? The volume will remain same. So if volume will remain same, so instantaneous uh, area multiplied by instantaneous length, that would be equal to the original length and original area multiplied because the volume remains the same during the whole the process. If you have this particular value, then you can simply write this value. So you can relate with the engineering and true stress like this. Okay. So